Canada yen is a pretty interesting pair. First, we have the RSI divergence over here. You can see retest of support. RSI went super low, then it just went higher, higher, and higher, right? So this is something you can look out for your trading opportunity, right? But you need to see a magic candle confirmation before engaging it, although you have an RSI divergence, right? So you couldn't just treat one indicators as the everything, right? Like the end all be all kind of stuff, right? So it's not the best idea over there, right? However, on the daily chart, what we have a magic candle confirmation over here. You want to wait for a confirmation to happen to engage a trade. Of course, I can combine it with my 4-hour and 1-hour chart to have a better entry price, which is amazing. Canada yen is our hot trade, and that is why. Right, 4-hour chart, nothing much for myself. Of course, I can place a support over here to wait for the alert trigger, remind myself to engage a trade. That's one way of doing it. Or on the 1-hour chart, what's even better is to wait for this magic candle confirmation on this butterfly pattern, much lower level, 101.58. Then you may be saying, hey Rain, 101.58, that would means that it would be much lower than the confirmation over here, right? As you can see, it's 102.77, 101.58 is somewhere at this region on the daily chart, right? And my argument for that would be this is on the 1-hour chart. By the time, right, if this happened on the earlier part of the day or even in the afternoon for Singaporeans, the confirmation over here, market went up, right? It will not affect the candlesticks movement or in fact the confirmation over here. The closing price is what it matters, right? So if you think a bit deeper, is actually 2 matters. But I want to point out something I'm not very comfortable. This kind of candlesticks formation over here is not the best of the best, right? It's not the nicest kind of stuff, right? But it is valid, right? So anyway, you have to watch closely on this. If you want to engage for your buying opportunity anyway for Canada yen, then I'll find that a better level, a safer level for you to have lower risk is to look at 101.59 level. Your stop loss will be much lesser than engaging it directly on the daily chart, right? So this is the hot trade of this week as well. One of my top trade, right? You can see that is the bottom fill, right? And if you receive this later part of the week, usually that's how it's being scheduled. You want to receive first-hand information, check out my profile. We have a Discord 15 minutes workday. Get into it, and at least you receive this video firsthand. My team will just post it when everything is done.